Hey, just Sam here from SensatioNail. So, it's been a hot minute since I've done anything with my nails due to the fact that I've literally been so busy with my life with work and this place and everything going on, and I think it's time to really give my nails some TLC, give them a good old prep, and this is how we're going to do it. Keep on watching. As always, make sure to give it a like, comment, share and subscribe and the bell notification button. Ching!
So you've got your toothpick, which is a cuticle stick. Very good to push that cuticle. Then you've got your buffer, which has got 4 ends. Buff, file, smooth and shine. So just your gel cleanser with your little pads, so you just have to pick one and use it sparingly. Wash your hands with some soapy water, dry them. Then you want to go ahead with the gel primer, an even layer all on the outskirts of your nail. Air dry, and then you're ready to go. So I'm going to go and grab my toothpick, technically called a cuticle stick, and push my cuticles backwards in the prep work. So now I want to go and grab my beautiful file, of course. We want to go ahead and buff all that oil and moisture out of the nails. So obviously, if you've got very oily nails, you want to keep in mind that you want to reduce and get rid of as much moisture as you can. And if you've got dry nails, aka flaky nails, you'll have to maybe go easy on the buffing, because you don't want to buff your nails to death, you know, because they're quite dry as they are. Maybe use a cuticle oil every other day or so to get those cuticles and those nails a bit more moisturized and pretty. You also want to go ahead, if you've got a little chip nail like I have here, and file it into the desired shape that you'd like. My favourite part of doing nails has definitely got to be the prep work. It's so satisfying. And also, when you're doing the prep work, it just makes a massive difference to the end result. If you don't do the prep work right, your results are not going to shine through, and I'll tell you that. Your nails are not going to last, and we don't want that, because you put all that love and effort into it. Then you want to go ahead and smooth around. We're going to go ahead and wash our hands. What I would suggest is go for maybe a washing up liquid, purely because it's not going to add any oil. And the thing is, who hasn't got washing up liquid at home? So go ahead and wash your hands with washing up liquid. And you're just going to literally need a little drop. So our next step is the gel cleanser. All you want is a little bit. So let's see if I'm not gonna go ham on this. Oh, there we go. See, it comes out quite quickly. And just an even layer all over. So if you have got oily nails, what I would suggest is you go ahead with your gel primer throughout your entire nail. But if you've got dry nails like me, all it takes is only a little bit of gel primer just on the outskirts all around the nail like that, evenly layered. What it does basically, it just dehydrates the nail and ensures that all the oil that might be remaining on there is gone. And you are good to go, and just let that air dry and on to the next step. So before we go ahead and pick our colour, we need to give a buttery base coat. Just evenly spread it without getting it all over your fingers. Don't be a clumsy klutz. Ensure to always cap your nails, aka do this, because it'll ensure the nail won't peel off. You just want to use your LED lamp, and once it flashes once, you should be good. I like to also keep my thumb out and do that separately. A lot more comfortable, and I won't be getting hand cramp because who needs that in their life?
Okay, so that's our prep work done. If you like it like this, you can just stop there, or you can go ahead and put some colour into your life and pick a nail colour just like I did.
The life decisions. Picking a colour is probably the most agonizing pain that you can go through. You know, we've got some blues, greens, yellows. I go with however my mood is. So my mood is probably, I'm really feeling this Dizzy Daisy because I'm really ditzy. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. So we've gone with Dizzy Daisy. And if you want to know how to do that more in depth with the gel colour, go ahead and check out the description box. There'll be a link down there. And after this, I'm also going to go ahead and show you an easier, quicker way with our peel off base coat. But first of all, let's go ahead with our colour.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up as always and join us for next time. We have got now a little schedule going on. So every 3 p.m. at Friday, you should see a video from us, and make sure to share it. Give it some love. See ya. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I loved. You normally say like 30 seconds.
Give a little hand flap.
Yeah.
Give a little ooh, shoo, 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 shoo. Wait, you still recording?
Yes. That was stupid. What is wrong with me? Okay.